How to get verified on Instagram. Hey there, welcome to our channel. Ever dreamt of having that blue tick next to your profile name? Then you are on the right place. In today's video, we will see the procedures that needs to be followed up in order to get blue tick by Meta verifying your Instagram account. Let's get started. Open up your Instagram application. You will land to its official homepage. Right here at the bottom, tap on the circle with your profile picture. You will land to the profile page. Over here, tap on the hamburger icon. A menu will pop up. Right here, tap on Meta Verified. Before getting that blue tick, let's learn about the benefits of being Meta Verified. First is, you will get a verified badge aka blue tick. Second is, you will have increased account protection. Third is, you will get instant support when needed. And the final one is, you will get access to unique stickers to which other normal accounts don't have access to. Note that not all Instagram users can get a blue tick, so make sure you have checked the eligibility criteria from Meta. Let's start the verification process. Tap on Next. You will be asked to select the profile for which you want to get Meta verified. If you have multiple accounts, then you will get discount for subscription and you will save money, so make sure either you want to get blue tick for single account or multiple accounts. If you have, select the account, tap on Sign Up. You will land to Confirm and Pay section. Right here, tap on Pay to get benefits. A menu will appear saying start by adding your payment method. Add your credit or debit card and make the payment successful. After payment is done, Meta will confirm your identity and that might take up to 2 days. Once your identity is confirmed, you will be Meta verified and get that blue tick next to your profile name. If unfortunately Meta could not verify your identity, then you will be refunded your amount that you have paid as a subscription fee. That's all for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.